Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. Alright, y'all, we just checked out the, performance video? What was it called? Conceptual performance film. There we go. But now we're about to check out What You Want MV. Now, I already said how I felt on my first listen to What You Want. It's definitely different from Go. I feel like I'm still more of a Go. I like the hype around Go and how it's a vibe. Is it the perfect song? No. But we're about to get into What You Want. And I'm very curious to what you guys think of What You Want as a song, outside of an MV, as a song with the MV, as a song with a performance. Put the comments down below if you haven't already. It's your boy Dre, and yeah, be sure to check out the Patreon, and I'll see you guys. I'm about to end this. Now let's get this started. Chord is What You Want. Oh, what happened? Was that a fire that he just put out? What was that? No, it wasn't. They just angry. What happened? They crashed their car? Like, be in the desert, that sucks too. It's hot. Oh, scorpions? That's animated, that's for sure. Or like CGI. Okay. Okay. Man, being stuck out in the desert like this. What you want? You know what it reminds me of? Like a teenage coming of age movie, like soundtrack. Oh my god, I thought they were like kidnapped or something. By the way, those people were eating. I was like, oh god, they got kidnapped by cannibals. Sometimes white people scare me too. Ooh, oh, that's fire. That was fire. I like that. What is that on your head? Whoa, who's broke? That was a crazy shot. We're following a billiards ball in someone's throat. I don't even know the name yet. My bad, y'all. After this, we're going to be checking out the profiles on Patreon, so be sure to check that out if you haven't already. What the hell? They got the whole... who is this? I mean, I know what it is. It's the throat. What is the word for it? What is this shot? This is crazy. Like they monsters or something like that? Like they about to crush us? What? Pick me up. Oh, don't squish it. Oh, that's a scorpion. Oh, what? They just lost. They still stuck in the desert. That was just a trip. Do not get in there. Okay. What? Oh, what the hell did you take? Did you take like a mushroom or something like that? What the hell you seeing? Okay, with the music video it's even more fun. What? What am I watching? It's creative. Oh! They're running from the... Is that a butterfly effect? He talking this shit. Get back in the van. Oh, you left one. Oh no. Oh. Smelling like a teen like we Nirvana. I love that. Damn! Ate his ass? Oh no, they took something. Flying lobster. An alligator. This looks like a fun music video to shoot. Oh! Just chaos. They're pulling off that It's All a Dream. Where are they? Santa Monica? Oh, the 8-ball this time. I don't know what I want, Cordis. I still need to dive into your music. What a weird ass MV. What the hell? The helly? Okay. Again, okay, I'm starting to like this song a lot more. I still think it's easier to vibe out for me to go, but this is a vibe in its own. It's a different type of vibe. Again, put in your comments down below what you guys think of what you want as like an MV, as a studio. 'Cause sometimes listening to the studio, the music by itself without the MV hits different, whether it be good or bad. I feel like this one is fine without an MV as well. Interesting. It's because it's just two different like dynamics. Go is more upbeat, more hip hop, trap. Not even, is it? But it also has that dance that goes hella trendy. Like everybody's doing it. All my friends, my dancer fans are doing it. Then What You Want seems more like flowy. Go with the wind. Like, what's good, bro? Like type vibe. Interesting. All right, Cordis, I got my eyes on you. You guys are interesting. I can't wait to see you grow as artists, as creatives. I think that's one of their sayings, right? What is their saying? Do they have a saying? Directed by idiots and Cordis. Why does this song make me want to quit my job and start a band I don't have? That's what it feels like. These are some of the comments down below. Cordis definitely have something here, maybe. I don't know. Again, put the comments down below. Be sure to check out the Patreon. We're gonna be checking out their profiles on Patreon. It'll be out for free. We're gonna check out Spotify Korea. Be sure to check that out, link in the description. Support the Patreon. It's for free. You can become a member for free. You also can become a tier 1 member for $1. Holla for the $1 if you know what you know. All right, y'all, till next time, everybody. Peace. A tree. Groot ass. That's funny. Oh, you can draw. That's a good drawing.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Dre Gammon. I'm there every day.